Today's feature are my recent Schuco edition. 3 castings here. They are the VW T1, the Porsche 918 in Martini livery, and also the bug size BMW Isetta, which is my favorite. This Isetta is one of my very first Schuco casting. I'm very impressed. That's why the Schuco brand is within my collection. Quality wise, it's very close to TLV at a lower price point. And now let's take a closer look at the VW T1, which is also a Miho exclusive. I got this because I'm very attracted by the prancing horse and the Ferrari logo. Quite a variety in the European Classic series. And now let's read this T1 out of the blister. Nice logo with a die cut for collection. Love it, it's really awesome. The distinctive Ferrari colors. This casting will pair very well with my TLV Ferrari collection. I'm very positive they will look great in photo shoot. Too bad the rear light is painted, but otherwise the details are fantastic. Again, I must emphasize the Ferrari branding is a very good call. Clean cut VW logo with a very clean paint job. I love the headlights, it's very realistic. Even the interiors are quite detailed. Wheel set comes in chrome and it rolls extremely well. Overall, this VW T1 is a great addition and it will pair very nicely with any of the Ferrari casting. Next, another Miho exclusive Porsche 918 in Martini livery. Same details on the car art. I shall now free the casting from the blister. Very nice casting, great paint job with very sharp livery. I love it. The signature Martini stripe really pushed this casting to another level. Looking very dynamic. Interior is very detailed, which is painted including the steering wheel. You can see better details from this angle on close-up. Plastic insert rear lights which adds to the realism. Nice body color with very sharp Porsche logo. In a scale of 1:64. This is definitely a great casting for any Martini or Porsche lover. And now the very cute BMW Isetta. I have already fallen in love with the civilian version, and Schuco makes a very good call by releasing the Isetta in German police. The siren and the headlights is just fabulous. I love this casting. Notice the rubber tires is a little bit misaligned from the wheels. We just need to give a slight push and we'll all be okay. Cool casting is equivalent to the size of my thumb. It's very cute. This casting looks great in any diorama setting and many stories to tell, I believe. I'm very happy to come across the actual Isetta at the Toyota History Garage in Odaiba back in 2018. It's really very cute in life size and moreover now in the scale of 1:64. And of course, the Isetta will pass perfect with the civilian version. More Schuco unboxing coming. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.